iPhone 6s Plus Screen Replacement Guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur.
Power down your iPhone 6s Plus. Remove the two bottom pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Place a suction cup near the home button and pull the display assembly away from the rear case. Use the iSesamo opening tool to help carefully separate the display assembly from the rear case. Take your time and apply firm, constant force. The display assembly is a much tighter fit than most devices and is held down with adhesive. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by several cables, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws, securing the metal cover to the motherboard. Now use the fine-tip curved tweezers to disconnect the LCD, digitizer and front camera and proximity sensor cables. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws securing the home button metal bracket in place. Disconnect and peel the home button ribbon cable away from the display assembly. Remove the home button assembly. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws securing the earpiece speaker bracket to the display assembly. Remove the earpiece speaker. Gently pry the front camera and proximity sensor ribbon cable away from the display assembly. Remove the 7 Phillips screws that secure the LCD shield plate to the display assembly. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order.